Guys, cryptos are blasting off like crazy. I'm going to be going over this in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with that amount time and time again. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth $1,200 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And guys, smash that like button if you love Dogecoin, it really does help out the channel. And what are your thoughts as to the reason why cryptos are blasting off currently? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Guys, already this week, Bitcoin is up 3%, Ethereum 4%. Binance is actually up 8% already. Cardano just hit $2. Guys, I know you're wondering, why are cryptos pumping so much right now? It's because FOMO is finally setting in. People are getting greedy. Institutions, the smaller retailer investors, they're now buying in. The trading volume is much higher now. And guys, just as I called out, when Bitcoin hit 46,000, the rest of the crypto market skyrocketed. And guys, I know you're wondering, how is this next bull run so much stronger than the one several months ago? Guys, it's simple, because the mass adoption never stopped. More and more people bought into cryptos ever since. Guys, with all the institutions, mom and pop shops in countries buying into cryptos, we are continuing our bull run, and the mass adoption will continue. Guys, you want to get in before the masses get in. You want to get in before the price goes up even more. You want to wait for my dip when I call it out instead of buying on the uptrend, because it very well could be too late by then. Guys, if you think Dogecoin is blasting off right now, you've seen nothing yet until Elon Musk starts to tweet about it. Since we're on a brand new bull run, when Elon Musk starts to tweet about Dogecoin again, guys, we will pump that much more. And he's waiting, strategically planning his tweets out so that he's not doing it every day, several times a day, and that they have no power and meaning anymore. He's doing this because he knows the more he spreads them out strategically, they will mean that much more every time he tweets out. I don't know if you remember, but solely with Elon Musk's tweets, he was able to bring Dogecoin up from 7 cents to 50 cents just in a matter of a couple weeks. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, an article just came out titled, "Institutions are now buying Bitcoin like it's late 2020. The amount of Bitcoin available on derivative exchanges hits its lowest since May 11th. Before the China miner rout took hold." Which means, guys, the balance on the exchanges is actually taking a nosedive. What this means is that the investors are taking their investments, they're taking it off of the exchanges, and they're putting it into cold storage. This is a very bullish sign that they know that there is great future in the very near future of the cryptos that they are investing in. Guys, another article came out titled, "Bitcoin avoids bear market. Long-term uptrend intact." And guys, like I've been saying repeatedly, we've been in a bull run ever since several months ago. We haven't been in a bear market because a bear market consistently goes down. We hadn't been consistently going down. Even when it looked like we were going down, we were still seeing our lows get higher and our highs get higher as well. Guys, the cool down corrections period did last for a while, many months, and I realized it was concerning for some of you. But if you had diamond hands and you stuck around, it surely did pay off. The FUD, the market manipulation that these whales were putting out, was causing the prices to keep going down, scaring the smaller retailer investor into selling out so that those whales could get in at the low prices once again. Guys, we're still at very low prices. It's still the infancy stages. We're still easily at half price of what these cryptos are actually worth. However, even on the uptrends, I call out the dips when I see them at very rare times. And guys, we are finally now on track to hit these massive numbers that the crypto analysts have been predicting that Bitcoin would hit just by the end of this year. It wouldn't surprise me if we had $100,000 or more on Bitcoin just by the end of this year. Ethereum, $10,000, $20,000. Dogecoin, 50 cents easily. Guys, there is a supply shortage because of supply and demand when the Bitcoin is taken off the exchanges. It then becomes that much more limited. Guys, Ethereum is now limited as well because of this London hard fork update that came out earlier this month. And that's why Ethereum will blast off, hitting these amazing numbers once again. Hitting these amazing numbers as I'm calling out. Guys, I believe in the years to come, we could easily see $3, $5 on Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts down below as to whether you think this is possible. An article came out titled, "Compromise Provision Tanked" by near retiree, but crypto shows DC it's here to stay. So what this means is that even though the crypto infrastructure bill wasn't the best outcome, we are still seeing prices skyrocket. And guys, the good news is that the inflation reading that I called out that I said may have a negative effect on the crypto market today didn't have a negative effect on the crypto market. In fact, it's only bringing positive influence to the crypto market, making more people buy in. And guys, I also said this was a possibility because people don't want to keep their money in the US dollar knowing that it keeps going down in value over time. They want to put it where it keeps going up in value, which is crypto. But guys, the crypto fear and greed index is showing us that we're moving more into greed, which means there's more FOMO than ever before. And that's why there's so many people buying in right now. So expect even greater pumps any second now for some of the top cryptos. Guys, as we look at the charts, we see Bitcoin and Ethereum breaking levels of resistance that we haven't seen in many months. Bitcoin almost to $47,000. And guys, this was possible because of an inverse head and shoulders we saw on the charts, which allowed me to see this coming. Guys, for us to see a bit of a correction after this, it would be completely normal and expected for a healthy bull run. So you want to be ready with some cash on the side to buy the dip. And guys, Bitcoin specifically started pumping even more after the inflation reading, which means people are seeing that the US dollar is less and less more attractive to have your money in. Guys, with an ascending triangular pattern on the Ethereum charts, we are now about to break our level of resistance at $3,300. Guys, it wouldn't surprise me if we broke $4,000 just within a week or two. Guys, Cardano was outperforming the rest of the crypto market, nearly hitting $2. So if you bought Cardano when I called it out at $1, you're already making a lot of money. Guys, because we are hitting such highs on XRP, we are going to see a bit of a cool down period, so you want to be ready for this. And guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, when I called out the cup and handle formation right here, sure enough, we took off from here. Sure, we went down just a little bit because we had to. With every peak, we have to come down just a little bit for a cool down period, but we went up again. We went down a little bit, had a double bottom, and guys, sure enough, with such a bullish symbol, we shot straight up from there. So guys, you are making a lot of money if you're into Dogecoin. And if you're not into Dogecoin yet, wait for the dip with some cash on the side when I call it out. Dogecoin is still continuing its bull run. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link at the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $12,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't yet joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.